Hey everyone! Welcome to another installment of the Dollar Bells. Today's topic is budgeting apps, and we're going to run you through some of our favorites, so get ready to save smart.
Hey, are you sure those things are safe? I mean, I don't want to brag or anything, but I am a bit of a history buff, and that's how Cleopatra met her fate.
That was an asp, like a snake. These are apps.
Yeah, that's just what they want you to think.
All of these apps vary in scope, method, and features, so you'll need to pick one that works best for you. Remember though, they're designed to help you.
It may seem like a lot of work at first, but tracking your budget will put you on a path to success.
The most basic budget apps typically connect to your financial accounts to track spending and categorize expenses, so you can see where your money's going.
After you set up your budget, you can track what you spend. If you don't track your money, you won't know when to stop spending in categories like food, entertainment, or
shoes! Hey, what do you think?
Wow. I think you're gonna be eating a lot of mac and cheese for the rest of the month. All right, let's do this. First up, Pocket Guard. Pocket Guard is a free app that connects your checking, credit, and savings accounts and detects recurring bills and income. It shows how much is available for everyday spending by subtracting upcoming bills, savings goal contributions, and pre-budgeted money from your estimated income. Pocket Guard automatically categorizes your expenses, but allows for customization.
Next, Mint. Mint has you connect all of your financial accounts, then tracks and categorizes your transactions. You'll get alerts when you're over budget, if it spots a large or questionable transaction, or if you've paid too many ATM fees. Mint also lets you track all of your bills in one place, reminds you when payments are due, and includes a free credit monitoring service.
You need a budget. This app is for committed users. Its zero-based budgeting format forces you to make a plan for every dollar you earn. It also requires a financial investment of $11.99 a month after a free trial. Subscribers can benefit from YNAB's many features like user guides, budgeting advice, and free workshops. YNAB? Maybe they should call it MYOB.
Mind your own budget?
Yeah. Good budget. This one's based on the envelope system, so you portion out your monthly income towards specific spending categories. The app allows multiple devices to access the same account, so partners and family members can share a budget. Unlike most other apps, Good Budget doesn't have you sync bank accounts. You manually enter balances, cash amounts, and debts. You assign money toward categories known as envelopes. The free version allows one account, 2 devices, and limited envelopes. The Plus version is $7 a month and offers unlimited accounts, envelopes, and 5 devices.
For budgeting with your partner, there's Honeydew. This free app allows you and your partner to see both financial pictures in one place, including bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investments. It automatically categorizes expenses, but allows for customization. Together, you can set up monthly limits on each of these categories, and you'll get an alert when you or your partner is nearing that limit. Honeydew also sends reminders for upcoming bills, lets you chat, and send emojis like thumbs up, high five, and dancing girl.
Time for our last one, NerdWallet.
Oh, because of the name.
NerdWallet also has a free app to help you budget. Watch your cash flow, track spending and saving, and monitor your credit score. There's even a little intel on ways to use your credit and bank accounts. Pretty smart if I do say so myself.
When it comes to managing your money, it's important to educate yourself on becoming financially responsible, because every day we are constantly bombarded with messages associated with spending and buying.
But the message we should remind ourselves of on a daily basis is to beware of making unnecessary purchases. If you're going to sign up for a gym membership or get a new credit card, be sure to read the fine print.
Ask a lot of questions before making any commitments.
Exactly. It's easy to get into debt, so put away those credit cards unless you can afford to pay them, and use those apps to live within your means. That will go far in helping you succeed.
Well, that's our 2 cents worth today.
I'm surprised you had 2 cents left after you bought those shoes.
Oh, until next time, everyone.